Hello you guys, working on a Ford Fusion, changing the front brake pads. Well, in order to take the front wheel off, you need a 3/4 socket. Okay, for the slide pins, you just have this little cap. You just put a flathead screwdriver in there and just pop out the two caps. To remove the brake caliper on this, you need a T45 star bit. And as you can see in the inside, right there, it's a star bit head. T45 bracket that hold it in place. What I do is just stick a flathead screwdriver right here on the top and just poke it out like that. And that's all you have to do. And it basically will snap back in. Your T45 sticks right on in there. Okay, now the rears are kind of different. As you see, the rear also have a star bit key, and the back, some type of bracket or something to hold it is a little different as you see from the front, but it's basically the same. And then you make sure that when you put it back on, that it's on the outside of the caliper housing. Okay, for the rear brakes, you have to get one of these spinning tools. I don't know the correct name for it, but the rear brake pad you don't push in, they screw in. So I just went to Auto Advance, $14. Got one of these for different size, and you just put it in like that and twist it and it screw in.